What is crypto mining for beginners? Welcome back, crypto lovers, to the Master Tech Crypto channel, your source for free education on crypto investing, trading, and mining. Be sure to check the description links to our community forums, where you can connect with fellow crypto enthusiasts. We're a network of communities dedicated to delivering you free education and resources that help move the pendulum to a decentralized world. Be sure to like this video, leave us a comment, and subscribe to the channel. This helps all of us spread the knowledge to more folks who want to free themselves from a controlled, centralized world and experience the freedom and independence that crypto provides. Today we're going to cover the exciting world of crypto mining. The first cryptocurrency, Bitcoin, was launched in 2009, and ever since then, more and more people are getting fascinated with this invention, and all for the right reasons. Cryptocurrency is interesting, rewarding, and at the same time can be a bit puzzling. This is especially true for beginners who want to dive into cryptocurrency mining. This wasn't always the case. Mining was quite easy back in 2009. It was even possible using your personal computer. But today, with crypto gaining popularity and its value skyrocketing, big corporations have taken note and created Bitcoin mining farms. These farms use dedicated computing machines with fast processing capacity. This has made mining Bitcoin for the average person more challenging. The good news is, there are plenty of cryptocurrencies to mine outside of Bitcoin that are very profitable. To understand cryptocurrency mining itself, it's best to understand cryptocurrency and mining separately. So then, what is cryptocurrency? Simply put, cryptocurrencies are digital coins that are kept in decentralized ledgers, blockchain. They can be mined and used without the centralized control of any institution or governments. This is vastly different than traditional world fiat currencies, which are 100% controlled by banks and countries. Moreover, there's a hard circulation limit for most of the cryptocurrencies, which make them a powerful tool against forced inflation of money printed by centralized controllers. The blockchain of the cryptocurrency is responsible for its secure operation, as it manages a permanent and unchangeable record of every transaction. It verifies those transactions through a consensus mechanism, where all nodes maintain the exact same distributed ledger in order to validate the transactions happening on blockchain. This operation is also involved in mining of new cryptos for circulation. There are over 10,000 cryptocurrencies in existence, the most famous ones being the Bitcoin, Ethereum, Polkadot, Cardano, Litecoin, Tether, and Doge, etc. Presently, cryptos are mostly seen as a speculative investment opportunity rather than a regular currency, but this view is shifting massively. More and more platforms and companies are pledging their support for cryptocurrencies by accepting them, from Microsoft, Starbucks, PayPal, Wikipedia, Burger King, to entire countries such as El Salvador, making Bitcoin legal tender. Every day we're hearing about platforms starting to accept various cryptocurrencies as a mode of payment. We're at the birth of a cryptocurrency explosion. So then, what is cryptocurrency mining? The simplest way to put crypto mining into words would be a process performed by a machine that generates cryptocurrency. Crypto mining introduces new coins into circulation and also validates the transactions already ongoing. It uses cryptography to check counterfeiting and double spend. There are numerous cryptocurrencies out there, and they slightly differ in their mining protocols, so we'll stick to the basics here. Imagine this. You're using crypto to purchase a burger at Burger King. The cashier places the order and asks you how you'd like to pay, cash, credit, or cryptocurrency. You select a crypto coin or token and swipe your crypto card or scan a QR code to pay from your crypto wallet. Your entry will go into the verification queue on the blockchain, along with other transactions globally that need to be confirmed. These transactions get added into a block and are verified. All this happens very quickly, and once confirmed, the transaction is finalized. As miners, we use resources such as electricity, computers, and other equipment in order to solve complex math problems that involve finding a 64-digit hexadecimal number, which gets your burger transaction onto the blockchain. This 64-digit hexadecimal number is called a hash and is basically what every miner needs to find and complete a block worth of transactions. Formation of these blocks and authentication of the transactions earn a reward for the miner. Every block has an associated unique hash, which is always a 64-digit alphanumeric character, irrespective of the data involved in the transaction. Even the smallest change in the ongoing transaction will result in a different hash. This is exactly why transactions on the blockchain are referred to as unchangeable. The hash of every block is linked to the hash of its previous block, which secures the immutability of the blockchain network. Any attempt to alter anything in a block will cause the hashes of all the subsequent blocks to change. This would ultimately begin a different blockchain, which would start from that same point of change. This new, different blockchain would be so lengthy that it would require enormous computing power that, in turn, will be so tiring and expensive that the result would be nothing. This mechanism of securing transactions on the blockchain through hashes is referred to as cryptography, and it ensures all of us that the integrity of the transactions is the safest form of exchange. Moreover, because it happens publicly, we can all view the blockchain, and there are no backroom deals like we see in controlled, centralized systems of institutional banks and governments. Simple, safe, secure, and without controlled manipulation. I'll take fries with that burger, please. Types of mining. Primarily, mining is divided into solo and pool/CPU and GPU mining, and cloud mining. Let's explore and see which one best suits your needs. Please remember to give us a thumbs up on this video and share this knowledge with others. Number 1. Solo mining. Solo mining, as evident from the name, is independent mining. It's based on the high-risk, high-reward principle. Since there's only one investor, you will have to bear all the costs, but at the same time, you'll be the only one earning the rewards. Mining equipment can require a lot of power. It must be fast enough to process and find the hash before every other miner. In terms of Bitcoin mining, this will need a tremendous investment, at least for the computing equipment and the electricity bill that comes with it, plus the cost of mining rigs. Nevertheless, you can mine plenty of other cryptocurrencies with a lesser investment. An economical alternative is pool mining. Number 2. Pool mining. As the name suggests, pool mining involves a group that contributes to the mining. You can also take part according to your wallet size and computational prowess. Miners can earn the rewards based on their hash rates. To begin with pool mining, you'll first need to select the pool you want to join. A few critical factors to consider before choosing a pool are the pool fee, which is usually 1% to 3%, size of the pool, and payment cycles. It's essential that you consider everything before making a choice if you don't want to end up in a loss. This is one of the reasons we continue to build many crypto communities across the web. Every community is free to join and open to all who want to learn and share. Visit the description of this video to join our home forum. Number 3. CPU mining. CPU mining utilizes central processing units to mine cryptocurrencies. This type of mining used to be a feasible option once, but now is very rare. People usually spend more on electricity bills than they're able to CPU mine. The only reason some people still prefer CPU mining is because it's accessible. Even a desktop computer could do it. All you need for CPU mining is a computer and a couple of programs. The fact that it's so easy to start mining attracts CPU miners. Moreover, people who are just looking for training on mining initially choose this method as this requires little investment and most often can use a computer or device they already own. Number 4. GPU mining. GPU mining is one of the most widely used methods for mining cryptocurrencies because it's cheaper than alternatives and extremely effective at the same time. Most importantly, it allows for average, everyday folks like you and me to get in on and accumulate crypto. The construction of the mining rig is easy and highly capable in terms of hash speed. One standard GPU mining rig consists of a processor, cooling device, a motherboard, rig frame, and a few graphics cards. Check out our video walkthrough, GPU mining rigs for beginners. Basically, the difference between CPU and GPU mining is the hardware used and the efficiency of output. CPUs are obviously far cheaper than GPUs, but they are far less efficient as well. However, it can be a good choice for new entrants without any upfront investment. GPU mining is still the king of home miners. Number 5. Cloud mining. Cloud mining is a process where you can sign a contract and pay someone, a cloud mining corporation, for renting out their mining rig and the process of mining itself. The rent lasts for the period specified in the contract, during which your net income, earnings from the rig, minus the electricity and other maintenance costs, are transferred to your crypto wallet. Basically, with cloud mining, you invest in mining that's managed by others and get the rewards based on the hash rate agreed in the contract. The risk is that you have to pay your dues, even if you don't earn any profits. Cloud mining has been gaining popularity recently, mainly because it allows people to participate in crypto mining who don't have enough money to run their own rigs, or who are not interested in owning a rig. Conclusion: the mining method that best suits your requirements depends on a few key details: initial investment, purpose, computing equipment, and whether you want to own and operate a rig. You also need to choose the cryptocurrency you want to mine. Bitcoin mining can be the trickiest to start with, since the crypto is so popular and dominant in the marketplace. The best advice for beginners is to grow and expand your knowledge by watching our videos and the videos of so many other great content providers in the mining community. You'll find the crypto mining community full of people who are passionate about helping others succeed on their crypto mining journey. Cryptocurrency mining is rewarding both financially and in personal accomplishment. If you want to jump in this market, be sure to click that subscribe button and go down into the description and join one of our free communities to continue your education on financial freedom through crypto mining. We'll catch you in the next video.